I'm J.S.Gujral, Managing Director of SGS Tekniks Manufacturing Pvt. We are spread over 3 states. We have 2 plants in Gurgaon, one in Himachal Pradesh, Baddi, and we've just put up a unit in Bangalore. As I told you, we are a EMS services provider, which essentially means we make electronic products to the design and specifications of the customers. We have a total strength of 1,000 plus across 4 locations. The robustness of the data and results at times was suspect. Because it was an in-house developed software, there were a lot of changes which were constantly made to meet the requirement of the users. And what impact those changes would have on something else was not immediately known. In 2008, we decided to migrate to a international level standard ERP platform. We evaluated various international softwares which were available and ultimately zeroed in on SAP B1, and SAP recommended Uneecops to us. So for the last 8 years we have been with Uneecops, and they have been hand-holding us and they have been maintaining the software all across the units for the last 8 years. So today we have a consolidated database for the entire company. The benefits of this which we have derived is that at a single location we can have an overview of the entire company. If I want to analyze my customer trends, it is available.
First thing I will say, the product traceability system, what the system is there. We can track what component, batch code number has been placed on which PCB serial number. So the product traceability system is there. During any field failure, any component failure is there. So we know the serial number and we can identify what the batch code, who is the supplier, from where we received and when we have received.
We basically use the inventory management, that is belongs MRP systems, that is belongs to purchasing of materials, raw material shortages, dispatches records, and your controls of production mode of data.
We can easily derive trial balance, profit and loss account, MIS report of profit and loss of plant wise and consolidate as well. Again, we can easily derive data aging, inventory aging, creditor aging.
It gives you a lot of comfort and you can have peace. One word: trust, speed and reliability.